Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be going to have a look at how to do an short strangle strategy. Okay, so I have been showing this example using the Nifty. So even we can implement the same in either stocks or even Bank Nifty or some other indexes as well. Okay, so option strategy is short strangle strategy. Okay, and this is our Twitter ID, so you can follow us in the Twitter, and also we'll be posting our Telegram channels. Link in our description, so please do join that as well. Okay, so short strangle. So there is a disclaimer that the post and examples are only for an educational purpose and not any recommendations to do an real trade based on this. Okay, so short strangle strategy can be implemented if you think that stock or index will expire within a particular ranges. Okay, so we'll be selling one out the money call option and selling one out the money put option to build this short strangle strategy. So both the call and put option should be sold at the same distance from current price. By this we'll be creating a delta neutral strategy. Okay, so delta neutral strategy will be having if you have any doubts regarding this delta neutral, we'll create a new video for this as well. Okay, so for now understand that the short strangle strategy is a delta neutral strategy. If you are selling the OTM call and put at the same distances from the underlying prices. Okay, so we'll be in the max profit if the stock expire between our sold option, and if it moves directional above or below our sold call or put respectively, then will incur the unlimited losses. Okay, so Nifty short strangle example. So Nifty is trading at the level of 10,302 by the at the time of 30th June. Okay, so we'll be selling the 10,000 put option at the price of 217, and we'll be selling the call option at the price of 10,500. 10,500 call option at the price of 196. Okay, so here we'll be selling 300 points down put option and 200 points our higher level higher distance OTM call options. Okay. So here we'll be collecting the premium of total amount of rupees 413 as so here we'll be collecting 217 rupees from the sold put option and 196 from the sold call option, which is collectively 413 rupees. So now our break even will be as below. Okay, so break even point is like nothing else at the which point we'll be going to our strategy position will start losing money. Okay, so on the downside we'll be taking the sold put option, which is an 10,000 put option minus 413 is the collected premium. Okay, so sold put option strike price, which is 10,000 minus 413 equal to 9587 on the downside, which will be our break even on the downsides. Okay, on the upside if you look at that, so to calculate the break even for on the upside, we need to take the sold call option, so which is 10,500 at our place now, and the collected premium, which is 413. So 10,500 plus 413 equal to 10,913 on the upside. Okay, so if the Nifty expires anywhere between this 9,500 and 10,900, we will be in the profit. Okay, so this is an limited profit and unlimited loss. Okay, so limited profit, so maximum profit will be the premium received, which is an 413 rupees into 75 in our case, and the maximum profit will be achieved if the Nifty close anywhere between the strike price of the sold call and put. So in this case here you can see that so 10,000 and 10,500 is the sold option strike prices, right? So if the Nifty tends to close anywhere between 10,000 and 10,500, then we'll be getting the maximum profit of 413 rupees in this case. Okay, and if the strike price if the Nifty moves anywhere below this break 10,000 level, then for each 1 rupee down movement we'll be losing 1 rupee from our 413 rupees till the level of 9,587. So let's say for example, if the strike price if the price closed at the level of 9,600, then we'll be at the profit of simply 13 rupees, and the 400 rupees down movement will be lost. Okay, and it is an unlimited profit. So maximum loss is, there is no limited loss, and it's an unlimited loss. Okay, so wherever the Nifty moves below our break-even points, then that loss will be unlimited. For it will be giving the 1 rupee loss for 1 rupee downside movement. Okay, so loss will occur if the price moves above or below our break-even points. So this is the payoff graph of a short strangle. So here you can see this is our 10,000 strike put option, and assume this is an 10,500 put option. Okay, so we'll be in the maximum profit of 413 rupees if it expires at this level. And you can see that our profit is getting minimized, means like getting lower whenever it's crossing our break even, our sold strike prices, and it's getting reduced, okay, till the level of break evens. And after that you can see that, so this is having an unlimited losses. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends, and we'll do an adjustments as well for this unlimited loss strategy, so that we can come out with the limited losses. Okay, so we'll be posting that video in the upcoming days, so how to do an adjustment so that we can come out with a limited loss instead of getting the unlimited losses. Okay, so let's say if Nifty made any 500,000 points of gap down or gap up, then this short strangle will give us the unlimited losses. Okay, if let's say if Nifty moves 1,000 points upside from our break even points, then we'll incur the loss of 1,000 points. Okay, so to overcome that losses, we'll be posting an adjustment trades. So please do subscribe and also click on that bell icon, so that you'll be getting a notification whenever we upload any new videos. And thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe.